Good afternoon, YouTubers. Tsquare with Tsquare Talk. So I hope everybody's having a great day. It is Monday, and today we're going to be opening up a package. This is my last package opening, I believe, before our giveaway for a Universal Coin and Bullion giveaway. Please, if you did not watch that giveaway video, please go back and check that video out right after this one. We will be running that probably Tuesday night during our live stream, if not Thursday night at the latest. There are 9 videos in that March giveaway playlist. Make sure you guys have checked them all out and hopefully commented on them. But today, just going to be opening up another package. This is not going to be part of that playlist because I will be closing that playlist up pretty soon and reincorporating the videos and basically ending the March giveaway playlist. But we are opening up a package. It is, well, really, I'm not sure what it is. It's a smaller package as a lot of things are going on right now, and I've been getting a little tighter with my budget. I can't always remember exactly what's coming in when it comes in. I just check my invoice and then I compare it up to my billing statement and see what I got or what I picked up for somebody or whatever the case may be. We're seeing a lot of delays right now on gold and silver, as I won't say the markets dry up in a sense. They are drying up with gold and silver. There's less out there to purchase, I believe. That's not financial advice. That's just my opinion. However, what we're also seeing, unfortunately, is we're seeing the spot price come down, but the demand is going up. And why I think that's happening is the spot price is coming down because a lot of the, I won't say a lot, but the commodities like oil and gas is starting to roll down a little bit. However, be mindful. I believe that's just a temporary thing because we did just unleash 1 million barrels of oil per day for 160 days. We're basically gonna give up a good portion of the U.S. strategic stockpile reserve. Other countries are saying they're going to do the same thing. However, I think that's going to put us in a really bad spot. And then there's always that trust issue of, are they really unleashing that stockpile like they said? So we're going to see how that plays out. But we are seeing silver and gold go down a little bit because the cost of mining is essentially kind of going down. And I do still believe in manipulation. However, some people don't believe in manipulation, but everybody believes that unleashing all these barrels of oil will bring the price down a little bit. I had a friend call me up this morning and say, hey, gas is down 3 cents. That's what 1 million barrels of oil got us. A 3 cent drop in the price. And it's kind of crazy because it's not really helping Americans. Prices are going up too fast now, but we knew this was going to happen. We talked about inflation months and years ago, when we were saying stock up when the pandemic was starting for a couple different reasons. And now we're fixing to start seeing, I believe, not only prices going up, but we're also going to see more taxes, more limits on what you can do with your money. They are trying to roll out this new Fed coin that has been talked about already. And we're going to see how it plays out. But I believe in the long run, both gold and silver are going to be your friends because they're going to keep going up too. Now, a lot of people are making this crazy assumption that, oh no, gold's going to come down because Russia is going to unleash their $180 billion in gold or some crazy number and they're just going to just dump it. I don't believe that is going to happen. I believe that Russia is simply now accepting gold for oil. That's what they're going to start doing. Their accounts basically got frozen. They lost access to a lot of their American dollars. Why accept something that you can't use? And so now they are going for gold. And gold, I believe, along with silver, is unfortunately the Achilles heel of the dollar. Because if more people start investing in gold, that's sound money. That's going to take a lot of dollars out of the system. And then we're going to see what will happen. This is going to get really crazy. That's why I've been kind of trying to add to my stack here and there where I can. You know, money sometimes, obviously with everything going on, money can get tight. And you just got to look for the deals when you can get them, even if it's only one coin at a time. It's not a race. Trying to accumulate a huge stack overnight it just means you're going to pay a lot more for your stack. However, accumulating 1 or 2 coins at a time is a little bit of a fog in that, on that or in there. I don't know what that is. I'm seeing it in the camera, but I'm not seeing it on the coin. Accumulating 1 at a time, a little here, a little there. That's where you're going to get your good deals. Buy the deals. Pick up the deals when you can, and just, you know, go with it. You know, that's what I've been doing. This is just another order, something just to add to the stack. It's getting harder to get the silver. More people are on, this is a little crazy that I'm seeing. A lot of people are backing down from silver now, and they're going all in on gold more. Even I am picking up, you guys see my package openings, 1 or 2 more gold coins here and there, just like I got right here, and less silver. This was everything in the package. 2 ounces of silver and 1/10 ounce of gold. However, I do have a belief that gold will double up before gold, silver will double up before gold. And with that being said, I should technically be buying more silver, but the deals on silver is drying up. The premiums are going up. People are limiting how many you can buy now, unless you're going to pay. I mean, I guess if you're going to pay whatever, then there's no limit. But for, you know, you got to be mindful. Then premiums will eat you up. Buy the deals. You see the magazine article, and it looks like a good deal, but they're limiting you of 1. That's probably a good deal if they're only going to let you get 1. Now, but be careful. Because I have seen people put limit of 5, and it was $200 an ounce, and I kind of got a kick out of that. I did a video on that one day, so. But we'll see what's going to happen. I think gold and silver are going to slowly, you know, jump around a little bit right now. But I think in the end, once we start up a recession, I think we're going to see gold and silver really start climbing. And, you know, who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we won't see a recession. Maybe I'm betting against the economy, and the economy's running great like they tell us in the news, and everything's going to be great, and I've just been wearing my tinfoil hat. But I don't think things are as good as they're telling us. I think soon we're going to start seeing more food shortages. I was looking at last night when I went to the grocery store, a pack of hot dogs, literally. So I buy hot dogs for my dogs as treats, and they were 89 cents. They're just turkey hot dogs. They're the cheapest hot dog out there. And literally, I've seen hot dogs go up to 99. That's a 10% jump. That was only 3 weeks ago. And then last night, they jumped up to 129. I could not believe it. I said, wow. And then on top of that, I had a friend from Florida send me an article about how one grocery chain is saying that come Monday morning, which is today, that they are going to raise the prices by 20 to 50% on every single item in their grocery store. Prices are getting out of hand. They're going to probably start eventually looking into price controls, and everybody that's followed the channel for any length of time knows once you factor in price controls, if people can't make it that cheap, they stop selling, they stop producing, they go out of business. So, something to think about. Price controls are not the answer, but I believe they will be coming. More free money, that's not really the answer, but that could happen. Whether it's in the form of a gas stimulus, some kind of break, who knows? I mean, they can think of a million reasons, you know, that's why I don't even begin to guess, you know. A lot of this inflation and stuff I talked about would happen. But then I had people tell me, oh, like you predicted the whole pandemic. I mean, come on. And it's not a matter of that. It's not a matter of what's going on overseas. It's simply a matter of the money is paper. It's not gold and silver anymore. And quite frankly, the money's getting watered down. They're printing more of it, and it's going to start to hurt us pretty soon. The one promising note, though, that I have and that you should have if you're taking advantage of the buying opportunity that's out there, in my opinion, there are deals out there, then you'll do well when these go up, when these metals really start to climb up. And if you think, oh, they're not going to climb up, go back 20 years and look at the prices. Just 20 years ago. 20 years ago, these were $5 an ounce. 20 years ago, this was $400 an ounce. Now you're talking 25 and 1900. So, I mean, big jumps, easily 5x move right there. I know some people say, oh, Bitcoin did better. Bitcoin did better. You know what? You're right. Bitcoin did do better. And it could sustain it. And if you bought into Bitcoin and you got out, well, you beat the game. You beat the game. You did better than the average. However, if you've bought in and you kept your money in, you haven't won yet because the game's not over. Now, I'm not putting down Bitcoin or any cryptos. I mean, I hold some cryptos, but, you know, I'm in it for the long run on some of that stuff, and some of it I'm in it for the short run. But we'll see how some of this plays out. So I highly recommend, if you guys are interested in this topic, please hit that subscribe button to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and hit that thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I do a lot of different videos on different topics. However, there's a few things that are near and dear to my heart, and I like to share that with you guys. So with that being said, the video ran a little longer than normal, but thank you all for watching. I'm sorry the package opening was kind of plain. It wasn't much to open and you know, show off. It's just a little bit, a little something to add to the stack. So with that being said, thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys again. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.